Thank you for the warm welcoming. Before I start anything, I would like to share my screen over here, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, please be patient. Yeah, I'm going to share this slide. Thank you very much. Good evening to all of ladies, gentlemen, sisters and brothers. Thank you for being here today. I'm Kiruba from Norland all the way, and I'm here to share our knowledge, especially on our beautiful products. I have four core products, star products, as Mr. Mohan has been introduced just now. As you see, this is the product. As you see, about newly identified pandemic has been a type has caused recent outbreak throughout worldwide. It is a respiratory illness, as you will see. Everyone knows as the COVID-19. 90% of the high risk of COVID person is the number one categorized of not only the people who are having low immune system, not only the people who are having the youngsters, the toddlers, which is not supported by the maintenance of your immune body. It's also multiple factors. It can be the one of the best and risk factor, you can say obesity. Obesity is the high risk factor, top leading 90% high according to today's state of value. With that, you can see lots of toxination in your body. How to conclude, how to replenish this toxination, how to hinder from our body. What is the formula? What are we going to see? And how does it help? How does it really help by Witching Herbal Pack? Not to forget, it's our Witching Herbal, which has been a beautiful targeted formula, which has been made remarkably 100% natural formula. It has been highlighted to clear of obstructions and have been hepatobiliary, as you see. It is almost especially our detox has been targeted, is also recognized and been authorized almost 80 countries ahead, and 10 millions of people have been utilizing this and gives a great and remarkable credibility, certifying and efficacy on their body. As you see, a remarkable toxin rebuild from our visceral organs, where it will replenish or will remove from our body, which from our vital, especially your vital visceral organs, you see here. Ladies and gentlemen, our normal detox will always help to emphasize in the market, it will emphasize in your colon, but our Norland product is helping us to emphasize more into the internal organs, grade 5 organs, which are liver, kidney, your heart, your spleen, your lungs, and much more. Yeah, these are the fantastic products where it will clear your obstructions, not only by clearing, also to repair your cells, not only helping repairing. It is the quantum resonance based formula. It gives you a vibration form of formula in your body, where it will lead into a good quantum and where it leads to remove the toxins from your body. As you see, what and who should be taken a Witching Detox, especially. Witching Detox especially highlighted to people who are heavily consumption of your alcohol, heavily consumption of high calorie in your food, heavily consumption of medication for long term, especially people, those who are in medication terms, elderly people in medication terms, blood pressure people, or diabetic mellitus people, or any neurological condition people. Yeah, these kind of people would emphasize a lot of medication for a long time. So these kind of things will lead into toxins. So this beautiful Witching Herbal Detox has been a marvelous and beautiful essence to rid off the toxins. People, those who are working hard at midnight, they are burning their meat oils, especially working and not enough of sleep. People, those who are having constipation problems. And not to forget, if our entire internal organs are not healthy enough, as internally and externally it will show to acne. And also not to forget, our precautions for our detox are mainly 3 highlighted people, especially to the pregnant woman, breastfeeding mothers, people who are undergone surgery at least 6 to 7 months after we can consume our Witching Detox. Not to forget, what are the beautiful and miracle benefits that we're going to look into. Today we're going to look into the remarkable benefits into our Witching Detox. How does it regenerate? It helps you to hinder your toxins from your body, takes out, removes your toxins, and try to activate it. Activate the function of the cells which has been blocked with your toxins, and help to regenerate the new association cells, especially in your body, generally in your organs, will help to improve your skin complexion. Not to worry, you will be having a good excretion process. This process will always induce you to improve your internal organs and keep you healthy and stay healthy. Not only healthy, always energized and give you such remarkable toxin removal from your body. Not to further move on with our second topic for today is how to secure your guts, how to secure with the proper protection. How do we repair and activate the unwanted wasted materials? As you see, our gastric mucus, or especially our stomach, is considered with a lot of acidity inside your stomach. As you see, the food that we take is also a conversion of, when it converts as a food and goes into your stomach, it will convert into enlargement or more increase in acidity, which will help to hinder or will destroy the gastric mucus, or especially your mucous membrane layer in your stomach. As this happens, what will happen? You will tend to have a lot of symptoms in your guts, especially if you see, especially from your esophagus all the way to your small intestines, all the way to your large intestines and your rectum. How do we protect? Not to worry, GI Vital Essence gives you a proper protection. It gives you a proper containing gland, which gives a beautiful lining, a protection lining for your entire stomach and your layer. Who actually need of our GI Vital? As you see here, ladies and gentlemen, those who are taking too much of spicy, people who are consuming alcohol, people who are having a bloating, burning, vomiting, nausea, people who are having indigestion, especially to those who are having fatty livers, especially those who are having gastritis, and not to forget those who are affected by Helicobacter pylori bacteria. These diseases can lead into a lot of diseases, bigger and serious diseases. Why waste? Take our GI Vital, give a protection, give a formula for your whole to revitalize your body, to regenerate your cells, and everything will help into regenerate your body cells, and everything will do again to your formula. So as you see, what are the benefits of the GI Vital today? Essence, especially healthy gastrointestinal system, will give a remarkable effect to your skin. Towards in and out, this is our GI Vital formula, and also it helps to kill the Helicobacter pylori in your gut. As you see, lots of people would be affected with your immune. It also strengthens your immune and also kills the bacteria and keeps yourself energetic, enhanced with your beautiful gut, and you can always stay energized as a day. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, these are the beautiful benefits of GI Vital. Not to forget and not to leave the third one. We go into what are the peptides and how does this peptides. Peptides is a protein form of a molecule, which is normal peptide. In the market, you can always see a single peptide. But our Norland is a source of 3 beautiful combination of your soy, your fish and wheat oil peptide, which has the energy base, which has the nourishing of your skins, which helps to absorb faster. These 3 beautiful combination of proteins help to boost your immune booster. Not only that, it helps to facilitate your metabolism, your immune metabolism in your body. It helps to energize your body. It also helps to circulate proper circulation. What is peptide? These are the peptides. Who are supposed to be taken as peptides? People who are highly recommend our peptide is the people who are irregular going for exercises due to their lack of metabolism, their lack of your immune system. As you see, low immune, you will tend to have flu, cough. As you see, this is a COVID-19. Now it's the time where we have to emphasize the health. You have to look after your health. It doesn't matter if you're going to be you're not the person who affecting the food. It's not that. It is how do you take care of your body to see the future, your healthy future. It's not the problem currently. For your future. It's more to your future ahead. As you see, joint problems doesn't come into just within few seconds or within a few minutes. It takes several years to damage. So how to protect all this? By giving a proper peptide, giving proper protein. Now our peptides serve a beautiful protein which remarkably fix all these problems, which will remarkably enhance your blood circulation. It gives a proper headache. It is giving you an induced boost to your proper nutrition to your head. To suppress the headache, not only to say that those who are having too much of toxin due to your medication, especially for long, they would not face any kind of it will be giving a remarkable change from your hospital. Yes, we don't have anything, but as you see, if you take a lot of medication, drugs inside your health, you might tend to have loss of energy. This kind of medications might give you less of energy, get tired, get tiredness very fast. So to keep yourself boosted, immune, to keep yourself energized, always keep yourself to be improved in your immunity, we should take our peptide. And these kind of people should and always been recommended with our peptide. Further ado, we are looking at the benefits. As you see the benefits today, the peptide's benefits always to control the degeneration. Degeneration cells mean that dead cells, especially, is going to decline. Dead cells will be re-energized, will be repaired, and also improve the metabolism and immune system. As a feature of your peptide, as you see, it always absorbs and fantastically absorbs within 30 seconds. It's a remarkable 100% natural formula ingredient, and also been authorized by the international certification, as you see in board. Ladies and gentlemen, today will be the day that you have to make a judgment to make your own decision to keep yourself healthy, to get rid of the toxins, get improvised with your gut, and keep on get immunized with all our products here. Now, last but not least, last product that I'm going to emphasize is Herb Care Antibacterial Mouthwash. Now, what we're going to do after, how and why do we need to always keep our oral as hygiene as possible? What happens actually if you are not taking care of your oral? This which leads into several symptoms. As you see, it will cause into bleeding. Your gums will lead to bleeding. You might have chronic bad breath. You might have toothache. You might have sensitive tooth to hot or cold. You might have face swelling and receding gums. As these are the symptoms, mainly leads to serious illness in future. So always remember, we have to keep our oral as hygiene as possible. And which are the symptoms which can lead into lots and lots of serious issues. Okay, now let us look what are the benefits throughout the Herb Care Antibacterial. It makes our strong absorption. It clears our protein bacteria, especially that's the harmful bacteria have been found in our mouth. It also a long-lasting bacteriostasis and naturally formula, as you see. It removes the dental plaque and strengthens our teeth. More importantly, it whitens our teeth, especially takes and removes out the stain, especially coffee stain, your tea stain, or your alcoholic, it removes the stains. Not to forget, what are these beautiful healthcare antibacterial mouthwashes being made? It is made of propolis, enteroextract, broadleaf or holy leaf. It has also been excreted by the citric acids, and not to forget natural xylitol. So these are the four basic and core formula to produce a remarkable, Norland has been produced a remarkable mouthwash. It is suitable for people, especially people 13 years above, and is always suitable for everyone in general. Always highly recommend people and pregnant them, and especially in denture and people, older age people who are wearing dental, especially a denture, yeah. And always emphasize people who are wearing the braces, especially for realign your teeth. Such people always highly recommend our Herb Care Antibacterial. So this is the suitable this is suitable use of daily life, while you're traveling, while you're in meetings, after your lunch, and wherever you go. So these are the 4 beautiful, remarkable formulas to always keep ourselves healthy and immunized, protect ourselves, and not to forget, keep ourselves orally hygiene and towards in and out from top to bottom of our body. So without any further delay, I would like to finish my topics today. Thank you, and I would give this back to Mr. Mohan. I hand over this to Mr. Mohan. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kiruba. Thank you very much for sharing the 4 products with us.